Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Keema, and today we're on our third part of our bedroom transformation. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell button, look down into the comments for anything I can link. And today we're finally getting a headboard. As you guys can see, look who's on the channel today. Like, and we didn't even have to argue because you know we be talking shit about you over here. Period. So today I got this headboard that I thrifted from the Habitat for Humanity resale store, and it was $40, but it was 75% off, so I got it for $10, you guys. It doesn't have a baseboard, which is fine because I'm not the fan of like baseboards or whatever. What you think about the headboard?
I like the color.
You like the color? We about to get rid of the color.
Well, I like it, but I mean, I'm sure I would like the color
that I choose. Yes. Let's do it. We about to sand this hoe. What sander we got, babe? We got a Ryobi sander.
Ryobi.
I just said it was called Ryobi. Ryobi. And then we have, I think, 180 grit paper on it. So we're just gonna see what it does. I think this is Vincent's first time using an orbital sander. Look at me breaking his sanding cherry again. All right, turn that hoe on. With the switch right there. Yep. I just had the best idea that's gonna save us the most time. I was gonna sand it down to its bare wood, but we're gonna paint it anyway. So what's the point of sanding it down to its bare wood? So what I'm gonna get Vincent to do is I'm gonna let him scuff sand it, and then we're gonna paint it black because we're gonna paint it anyway instead of sanding it all the way down to the wood. So you want it all to look like this, and you just want to lightly go over it, kind of get the little things too, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna scuff sand this hoe. I let this man get in a shot one time, and what he do? Break my Ryobi sand blaster. What did you say for yourself?
Yeah, it wasn't me.
Who was it? You was the one using it, sand blasting. Thank God that we got the scuff sand done. So now all we need to do is go wipe it down and do some spray painting.
Stuff happens.
What color is that?
Black.
Onyx black?
Onyx black.
Oh. So we going a little matte. Period. Alright, since y'all already know, I've already used this Wagner spray paint gun like 3 times. So I'm gonna let Vincent use it so we can do a full-fledged rounded review of this Wagner. I'm gonna show Vincent how to use it, and then we're gonna spray paint this bitch. It should only take us like 10 minutes to get this whole done. It says it's delivered today. So let's see. Oh, period. And something else. Let's go back. Alright guys, this is the marbling spray. It is a 4 ounces, 113 grams. Tiny little cute little bottle. It is Whisper White, so you spray it on black or whatever color you want. I'm gonna be spraying it on this beautiful vintage headboard that you see me spray. I don't know why I'm showing you because you already seen it. But we're gonna do a test spray on a piece of wood just to see what it looks like. And we're gonna be, you know, conservative while I'm spraying because this is a little bottle and I want to use this for 2 or 3 projects. So let's get into it. All right, I did a 1 little spray on it. You can barely tell because it's black and this thing is black, but I'm gonna let it dry and then I'm gonna go over it with Minwax Polycrylic finish. Crystal clear finish, ultra fast drying, easy water clean up. And this is water based. And I don't think this is matte, but I want a little shine, so. Oh, caught in bad romance. We about to marble this thing, so just sit back and relax. This was the first one with just 1 spray of this, then polycrylic, and this is just like this, but I did black on top of it and then I sprayed it again. I just need the polycrylic, so I'm gonna see what it look like. I'm gonna let this get itself together. It's all right. I'm gonna paint it with black again. I know I am, because I really don't like some of the marbling on the poles. It looks a little, it don't look like marble. It looks like spider webs, but the marble on the headboards looks pretty all right. So let's see. Alright guys, so I've just finished putting the finished touches on the bed. Also, I'm going to show you and let you know where I got some of the stuff from. I'm going to link some stuff down below, and I'm going to find some similar stuff because some of the stuff I bought like 2 years ago for this very moment. I'm going to reveal it to you. Here is the full bed.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a